See, looks like we had a long play here, and we were right about that. Let's see if I just got lucky or if it was actually a good play. Let's see. Interesting entry, yeah, because we pulled back, then we sideways for a while, and then we bled quite a bit, and now we're up pretty decently. I'll be shooting for 618 on this, 3%. I think we're at break even. Yeah, we're at a position now that where we can move the stop loss to break even because we're at a little bit better than 1%. So you're either wanting to be at 1% or better than 1%. We're better than 1% right now. So I would take this and bulletproof it. We're bulletproofed right now. Okay. And I'm not going to write that because I don't want to overdo it with like the annotations on the chart and stuff. We'll just know that, and if it ends up turning around and going against us, I'm going to treat it like it's not bulletproof and pretend that we lost the 1%. It's not going to matter. I try to be super conservative because we still will make money this week, and I'm trying to show you the power of the probabilities when you're trading in this way versus just running and gunning. I'm looking for setups. I'm sniping. So 4 hour, maybe we stop at the 200 EMA. I'll have to just kind of watch that and try to see what happens. Yeah, there's not a whole lot more to say here. Again, 50 EMA is a 200 EMA on the 4 hour chart. So it's, we're going to look for a reaction in that area. So it might be less than 618. It most likely will be less than 618. It'll be something more like this, based on the angle that we're seeing there. So that's how, this is what we're looking for. This is where my limits order is. In and out, quick. Excuse me. Okay, so that was only euro pair I had. I think just that one. Okay. CAD JPY. Definitely looking like it's getting weak and wants to roll over. Quick pullback situation. Am I going to trade it? Nah, I don't want to trade this. You could trade it down here, and then, but we're so overextended, and we went sideways here. Look how we stair-stepped up slowly. So this is a 4 hour chart. This is the first of the year. So on the 7th of January is when the stair-stepping started. So look how long it took for us to just get here. Excuse me. So yeah, I think we're going to see a move that looks something like this. You see this pullback? It'll look something like that, but whatever. Just quick pullback to the red. Maybe a little bit beyond. We're good. Okay. But yeah, I'm not going to trade this. You can, but it's just not for me right now. I was looking for a big reaction here off of the key level. Don't know if I'm going to get it or not. MACD looks good. Check this out. Man, I love these indicators. I just love trading, man. This stuff is fun for me. It really is. You look this one looks like it's just sloping downwards, man. It's waiting to fall off, and I feel irresponsible, man. But we're gonna do it anyways. Famous last words. Y'all heard it. Y'all let me do it. Y'all are sitting there watching this and not commenting and letting me do this shit. So I don't feel bad. Hold on. Let's split this up. I want to move that. I want to move this. Okay. Live entry time right here. And I've got another stop loss. Kind of above the baseline. So my play is going to look like this. So if I'm wrong, I better be wrong, type of thing. A little bit tighter. Just so y'all know, you usually want to try to make sure, you want to make sure that you're at, excuse me, at least 1-to-1. Yeah, so you always want to be at least 1-to-1. So maybe I can tighten it up a little bit right here. That's still the point of the stop loss. So let me address this. For me, if I'm going to catch my L, if I'm going to make my negative 1% and lose on this, it needs to be because I'm really wrong on the play. So if price goes this high, it could come back down and I wouldn't be wrong. It could go this high and I wouldn't be wrong. But if it breaks that level and then comes back down, that's fine. But I was still wrong, timing-wise. I was really wrong here. You see what I'm saying? That's kind of how I look at it. So I want to give myself enough cushion to still have a little bit of wiggle room. But if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, and I miss mine. It costs 1% to be wrong, basically. But I'm going to look for this move. It's probably going to drop a lot more than that. At least that's why I'm getting into this. I'm not getting into it for that quick move, but I do need to shape it up some kind of way. Maybe we come down to 618-ish or 200 EMA. 162, still not a big move. Still not a big move. 2% off of a monster move like that. Man, I don't even want to trade this now. I was talking all that stuff. All that for 2%, jeez. No, I'm not trading this. So I'm exiting this trade. Basically, where I would have been in the process is setting up my limit order and stop order. I would not have been in yet because I'm still shaping it up to make sure. But even if I was, all right, I'm out. I lost, 0.2% or something. Less than that, because it didn't really move much. You see what I mean? So, yeah, I decided against that. It's not worth 1% up here for 2% off of a huge move. It's just, it's a waste. Anyways, AUD, CAD, I'm not sure on this one. Definitely doesn't, no, I don't like this at all. It doesn't look like it's going to do anything. Oops. Let's see here. I wonder why my... Okay, well, yeah. I think I just have more on my list this week for some reason. Anyways, all right. Let me switch to the AUD pairs and then we'll finish with the Euro pairs that I missed here. We're falling down off of this, looks like. I think. There's not really an entry here though. God, that one looks pretty good though. Off of the 3.8. Really looks good off of 3.8, man. Yeah, I'm not sure. AUD, JPY. When I'm not sure, I don't trade it. That's just the point. And as you guys have noticed, I have certain biases towards AUD pairs and Euro pairs. I don't really trade them much. And that's just because I don't 100% feel comfortable yet. Like this, you see how it's kind of messy, but it is a definite pattern. And it's doing it. It's just not lining up the way I like to see it line up, if that makes sense. But yeah, I can watch that. And maybe eventually I get comfortable and I can take those trades. Right now I can't though. It's not that I can't. I just I won't allow myself to take those. Better way to put that. Okay, let me move all these around so that they're. I don't know, that's really, really strange, y'all. I usually have all this stuff together. Okay, Euro. Looks like we got into this Euro GBP yesterday, and we are good right now. Yeah, I already went over this one. Euro JPY definitely looks like it's about to react. It's going to be interesting to watch how it really moves here. We're hitting up against this 50, and we've got a reversal candle that's forming up here, but it hasn't happened yet, so you want to wait until it happens to move through. Euro CHF, we did talk about that one. Euro CAD, live entry, we're still in that one. Euro AUD, not sure. We're definitely in a weird spot. And I say that we're in a weird spot because I don't know if we're going to react down here. Yeah, this is a weird trade. I don't like this chart. And there's too much like exhaustion and reversal style bars right here. There's no real trend, so I wouldn't trade that. Anyways, that's it for today, man. It's a longer one. Sorry, got a little disorganized. Wasn't sure exactly what happened there, but yeah, I hope you guys picked up something there, and we'll talk soon. Peace.